Okay, so go ahead. It's your show, bud. What do you think about that? You like those bubbles, huh? Good. Run right through this area. There you go. Coming it out. There's some big ones. Good job, buddy. Here he comes. Zoom, guys. Yeah, you getting bubbles on your head? Is that pretty fun? Yeah, it looks like it's fun. That probably wasn't the best idea. You going? Did you just throw some rocks, buddy?
Yeah.
Up? You threw rocks up? Okay. Wow. They are all over the place, I know it. Yeah. There's some big ones. Good job, buddy. Here he comes. Gotta set a rock there, hold it in place, right?
Yeah.
Anchor it down. That's a good idea. It gets really windy here, right? Yeah. Yeah. We're down here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and it does. It gets windy. Extra. Yep. Try to chop the bubbles. Stay on bubbles. Alright. That's a great race, buddy. Nice. Oh, they're all over. They're coming to us. The bubbles. Ah! Oh, is it bright?
Yeah.
What do you see? An airplane? What do you see? A bubble. Oh, that's the sun, buddy. That's a bright piece. It's a bright chunk. Yeah.